Hi guys, this is Mandy from EJET Sourcing. When people source products from China, Alibaba.com is always the priority choice. But did you ever consider using 1688.com to save your cost? Similar to Alibaba.com, 1688.com is the largest platform in China where you can find the most direct factories with the advantage of lower prices and smaller MOQ. 1688.com is quite friendly to small sellers and startups. Even some sourcing agents that you hire are also searching for your products on 1688.com. However, there are still a lot of buyers don't know how to use 1688.com. So in today's video, we will make a full guide to teach you how to buy from 1688.com. Okay, let's get started. So first, let's log into the 1688.com. Okay, now we're in the home page of the 1688. As 1688.com was essentially set up for the domestic trade, so the main challenge we will meet should be the language barrier. As you can see here, the whole page was presented in Chinese language. So the first thing we need to do is to translate this page into English to make things easier for you. Here I will show you a quite simple way. Just make a right click of your mouse and choose this translating into English. Click. Okay, done. Now you can see the entire page is translated. It's quite easy, right? Okay, so after the language problem solved, we move on to searching products or suppliers on 1688. Here I will show you two simple ways. The first way is to use this camera function. See this small icon? If you want to source something with a specific image, you can just click this small icon and upload the picture. For example, we need to find let's say we want to find a baby seat. Now we can go to Amazon page and find a picture. Okay, then we write the baby seat here. Okay, we can see many pictures here. Then you can just find one you like. For example, we like this one. We just click in and save this picture to our computer. Okay, then we go back to 1688.com. Click this small icon and find the picture we just saved. Click and upload. Okay. Now we can see all the searching results here. It's quite similar to the picture we upload, right? So the second way is to input the keywords in the searching bar. We can just write the baby seat and search. Okay. So here we can find around 144 products listing here. So because it's the Chinese platform, so we can also find these with Chinese keywords. Then we just go to the Google Translate. Then write the baby seat. Then we change this language into Chinese. Okay, Chinese. But we know, right? We need to choose the simplified Chinese, not traditional. Okay, then we just copy this and go back to the 1688 and paste. Then search. Okay, so this is the result we can find according to the Chinese keywords. Do you see the difference? Now we can find almost 15,556 products here. So when sourcing on 1688, we would suggest that to use the Chinese keyword for more choice. Okay. So after learning how to search the products on 1688, now let's go forward to the next part of how to contact with the suppliers. When you find a supplier on 1688, you can just click in. For example, let's say you like this one, just click in. Then we can find a small chatting icon here. This one. Oh, here is the same. But to use this one, we will have to install an app called Ali11. This is used to chat on the 1688 or Taobao in China. Because I already have this one on my computer, so I will not do it again. But it's quite simple. It's not complicated to install this. You can just follow its instruction. Once you have this Ali11, then you can connect with the suppliers directly on it. Okay? Or you can try the second one. Just go to the contact here. See, here has the contact. Click in. Okay, so here we will find the contact number of the suppliers. This is their fixing line and this is their mobile numbers. You can also contact them by this number. Once you get connected with them, you can just ask them what's their WeChat account. For WeChat is very popular in China. It's a chatting app in China. Almost everyone are using it. So it's kind of the most efficient way you can stay in touch with the suppliers. Or you can just choose the efficient way. Hire an agent. Send the products you find on 1688 to the agents and let them handle the rest process for you. Okay, when buying from 1688, there are some points you need to take precautions. The first one is the payment. As we mentioned above, 1688.com is a platform set up majorly for Chinese domestic trade. So if a foreign customer wants to buy from 1688, then he cannot make online payment unless he has a Chinese bank account or Alipay. It's not like on Alibaba.com, foreigners can pay the suppliers directly and enjoy the trade assurance. So the solution is you have to pay your money to the suppliers offline. That means all your transactions will transfer to private dealing and not protected by the platform. So you have to make sure that the suppliers are reliable enough before you sending the money to. The safest way we would recommend it is to send your money to your Chinese friend or hire an agent to help you. That can release most of your pressures. The second point is the export license. Many suppliers on 1688.com don't have an export license, for their products are only sold within China. So if you are lucky enough and find a supplier with the export license, then the problem is solved. But if you are dealing with the factories without an export license, then you will have to find an agent or a trading company to help you. In this case, your product will be sent to the trading company or agent first who has the export license to support the process. That's all for today's video. If you are interested in our video or have more questions about buying from 1688.com, please make a comment below and we will get back to you soon. See you next time.